Hi everyone, I am Dikshita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you don't know me, I am a professional makeup artist and I also do celebrity transformations. And do follow me on Instagram account as we are going to hit 100k anytime soon. So today I'm going to talk about the hair care and skincare routine, and firstly we will discuss about the hair care routine because it is as crucial as skincare guys. तो सबसे पहले आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट माई हेयर केयर रूटीन. एंड जब से मानसून आया है इट ब्रिंग्स अलॉन्ग अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रिजीनेस, डैंड्रफ, स्प्लिट एंड्स एंड हेयर फॉल. So I was really annoyed already. So I searched through the internet because nothing was working for me. Then I found this company and brand known as the Ayurveda company. And I really loved its product. So I'm going to share about it. So I read really good reviews about it and I thought let's give it a try. So it's known as the Ayurveda Company Hair Growth Shampoo, and I also use the Ayurveda Company's Hair Growth Mask as well. And they're 100% organic and vegan, plus it's sulfate and paraben free, which is really nice. So it's India's first science-backed Ayurvedic brand, and it consists of methi, bhringraj, amla and hydrolyzed keratin. And if you don't know what keratin is, it's basically a protein that is found in your hair strands, and it is responsible for your hair growth and strength. And it just costs 600 rupees, which is quite affordable. So you can just replace it with your regular shampoo and just massage your hair and 5 minutes के लिए please छोड़ देना. उसके बाद ही wash करना ताकि अच्छे results मिले. And उसके बाद just pat dry with a microfiber towel. Regular towel use करना छोड़ दो and microfiber please towel use करो because उससे बहुत ज़्यादा breakage control होता है hair का and बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी dry हो जाते हैं. So ये shampoo आपके scalp को बहुत अच्छे से nourish करता है. साथ में it also balances your scalp pH. And for the mask you can just use it weekly. And जैसे अपनी Sunday को एक pamper routine कर लिया अपना, and then उसमें just include this hair mask as well. And you can just use this hair mask after shampooing your hair. बहुत अच्छे से आपकी बाल clean and dry होने चाहिए mask लगाने के लिए. And you can just leave it for 30 to 60 minutes. And जब आप लगाओगे तो you can just gently massage your scalp. जैसे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा stress relief मिलेगा and you will feel so relaxed after this. And after 30 to 60 minutes you can just rinse off your hair with lukewarm water. And साथ में you can just shampoo and condition if you have oily skin, and normal to dry skin के लिए you can just leave it like that. So I was really amazed with the results, okay, and it gave me results in mere 2 to 3 washes. These both tag products contain the similar ingredients and they have really helped me with the frizziness a lot. Also you can use my coupon code to get flat 20% off on your purchase. So now we are going to talk about the skincare routine. And for skincare I have a very basic CTM routine. And if you don't know what CTM is, it basically stands for cleansing, toning and moisturizing. And cleansing से मतलब होता है कि face wash use करना, कोई भी face wash, और you can also use any non-foaming face wash. And when you follow a skincare routine, make sure कि you are using the right products according to your skin type, not the other person's skin type. So if I broadly speak about the skin types, there are 4 major types of skin types. Okay, so there is oily, dry, combination and normal skin. And for me it's combination skin type, and उसमें T-zone भी oily हो सकता है and C-zone भी oily हो सकता है. T-zone means your forehead and nose, C means your cheeks. Okay, so for me my T-zone is oily. That means कि मेरी forehead and nose is shiny, plus my eyelids are also shiny, and my cheeks and chin are dry. So for a face wash, right now I am using Moha face wash because it's really herbal, organic, paraben and sulfate free again. Plus it's very moisturizing as well. Also if you want you can also use Nivea moisturizing face wash as well. It's really amazing for dry skin and combination skin type. So after the face wash you can use any toner that is specified to your skin type. And for toners I use Pilgrim's toner, and this would be my 3rd purchase after this because I have almost finished it. Also toners have nothing to do with the reduction of your pores, but they deep clean your pores. Also they maintain the pH level of your skin. साथ में अगर कोई भी रेसिड्यूज रह जाते हैं क्लेंजर के, दे ऑल्सो एब्जॉर्ब इट. So that's all what a toner does. So after the face wash, I use a good hyaluronic acid serum. Right now I'm using Dot & Key's hyaluronic acid serum, or else previously I was using the Eclipse one. I finished it, so now I switched to Dot & Key's because I already had it. So basically many people want to know कि hyaluronic acid serum क्यों use करते हैं. So बहुत basic answer है इसका, to plump your skin and restore the water balance. Because this product really helps in your skin hydration. It's recommended for every skin type, and after that I top it up with my favorite moisturizer, that's Cetaphil, and nothing ever can replace it. If it does, I'll definitely let you know, guys. Really love it a lot because it's non-greasy, it's very long lasting. साथ में it has no fragrance at all, which is a blessing. After that, it's really important to use a sunscreen, and right now or currently I am switching between these two sunscreen. The application of sunscreen is quite different from the other skincare products because it's used in dabbing motion. Although I use this motion for every other skincare product because इससे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट एब्जॉर्ब होता है स्किन में, बट स्पेशली फॉर सनस्क्रीन डेफिनेटली यूज दिस डैबिंग मोशन ओनली, एल्स बहुत ज़्यादा वाइट कास्ट हो जाता है. So coming to my lips, I'm very particular about my lip care, and I specifically use Innisfree products, or I also used this Moha's lip balm and I totally love it. Plus मुझे लगता है it's quite edible and very affordable. So yeah, you can just use this Innisfree के lip balms, and you can also try the Moha one. So guys, that was it for this video, and I hope you guys love this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and just comment down below कि next video क्या होनी चाहिए, because this was the highly recommended video from you guys only, and you guys always wanted to know कि मेरा hair care और skin care routine क्या है, because I use layers of makeup to do those celebrity transformations. And yeah, that was it, guys. Bye, meet you in the next video.